Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is triangle, and in that class we take and solve some important questions related to triangles and simplify them. Now dear students, in today's class we take and solve some other important questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. So let's see some important questions. Prove that, we take first question. Prove that measure of each angles of measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle and measure of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Now let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of questions? Okay, let's see. Here we have to show that measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So for solving that question, dear student, first of all, what I do, let's see. So first of all, we draw an equilateral triangle. So look. So here first of all, ABC. Okay, we take ABC be an equilateral triangle. You know that in equilateral triangle all of its sides are equal and each angle measure is what? 60 degrees. So we have to show that each angle of this triangle is. So first of all we write given. So in given what I write in given we write as ABC is an equilateral triangle, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CA respectively. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CA respectively. Okay, because of this is an equilateral triangle. Now to prove what I prove, we have to show the angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, each equal to 60 degrees, because of, dear students, each angle of an equilateral triangle is what? 60 degree. Okay, now we have to prove that. Now let's see its proof. This is angle A, this is angle A. So now let's see its proof. So since ABC is an equilateral triangle, thus if we take AB is equal to BC, then in that condition angle A is equal to, this is equal to the angle A is equal to angle C. Take equation number 1, because of we know that side opposite and the angle opposite to equal side, okay, are equal, angle opposite to equal side. So this is the angle opposite to equal side are equal, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So similarly dear students, Similarly, we have to if we take BC equal to CA, if we take BC equal to CA, that is BC equal to C, that is angle A is equal to angle B, that is angle B is equal to angle A. This is equation number 2. Thus, using 1 and 2, dear friends, thus using equation 1 and 2, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Take as x. Say that x. Okay, we take as angle A. So by the help of these two equations, we have each of this angle. This angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C are equal to each other. Now we apply the angle sum property. This is the very important relation. We take equation number 3. We take angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Now let's see. Since we know that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Sorry, the sum of all angles of a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We know that the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Thus, using equation 3. We get, look, in equation 3, dear friends, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, each equal to x, each equal to x na. So here we put as x plus x plus x is equal to 180. Thus this is 3x is equal to 180. That is 3x is equal to 180 na. So 180 upon 3, 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to what? 60 degree. Thus from 3, thus angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Hence 2. That result. Okay. So dear friends, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on triangle. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please do more and more practices of that type of. Now, dear friends, we take and solve some other important questions based on triangle. Let's see. Now take a very important questions. Related to that topic. This is one of the most important questions. Now we take some other important questions. If the altitude, the question is, if the altitude, okay friends, if the altitude from one vertex of a triangle, from one vertex of a triangle, if the altitude from one vertex of a triangle bisects the opposite side, bisects the opposite side, bisects the opposite side, then the triangle is isosceles. Then the triangle is isosceles. Let's see its solution. This is also a very important question of your NCERT exercise. So first of all, let's see. So first of all, we draw a triangle. We have a triangle ABC. Okay, look. This is first of all we draw a triangle ABC in which we draw AD perpendicular to BC. We draw AD perpendicular to BC, and we have to show then triangle is bisects the opposite sides. Means BD is equal to CD. Okay. Isosceles. So given we write ABC is a triangle in which AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. AD is perpendicular to BC such that bisect the opposite, such that BD is equal to CD. This is given in our question. This is given in our questions. Okay. Now to prove triangle ABC isosceles, if we have to show that AB is equal to AC, we have to show that AB is equal to AC. Now let's see its proof. So dear students, we take triangle now. In triangles ABD and triangle ACD, we have what we have looked. BD is equal to CD. This is given. BD is equal to CD. Okay. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. This is each equal what? 90 degree. Each equal 90 degree. ADB and ADC. Okay. Each equal 90 degree. And AD is equal to AD. This is common. Thus by which common spread? Thus by SAS. Thus by SAS triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC of ACD. Thus by CPCT, that is by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC means hence proof. AB is equal to AC means that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because of, you know that in any triangle, if two sides of a triangle are equal to each other, then the triangle is isosceles. So in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these two. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on triangle. Let's see. Now we take a very important question, and the question is, this is a very important question. Let's see. If ABC, if triangle ABC, this is the NCERT question. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, with AB is equal to AC, with AB is equal to AC, prove that the perpendicular from the vertices prove that the perpendiculars from the vertices B and C to their opposite sides are equal. This is a very important question. Let's see its solution. So, dear friends, first of all, this is a very important question. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, so first of all we draw a triangle. Let's see. Look. ABC. Let us consider since ABC is an isosceles triangle, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle, it means that is AB is equal to AC, If AB is equal to AC, then we can say that angle B is equal to angle C by theorem, because of that the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. The angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. You know that very well. Okay, dear friends? Yes. So look. So here, since ABC is an isosceles triangle, dear friends, so that is AB is equal to AC, and that is angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Now, the question is, prove that the perpendicular from the vertices B and C to their opposite sides are equal. So suppose that we draw two vertices. This is BD and CE. BD and CE. Okay, dear friends, here BD and CE are perpendiculars drawn from B and C to their opposite vertices. Okay, dear friends, we have to show that BD is equal to CA to prove what? To prove BD is equal to CA. This is your question, na? Now look, dear friends, first now we take triangle BCE and BCD. Now we take triangle BCE and BCD. Now we take triangle BCE and triangle BCD. What we get? Let's see. We get as in BCE and BCD, angle B is equal to angle C. This is given in our question by that concept, that is angle B is equal to angle C. Now the perpendicular drawn. So angle CEB, angle CEB, angle CEB is same as angle CDB या BDC, angle BDC. This is each equal to, and BCE and BCD. BC is common. BC is on the side. BC is common. Means this is common. Thus, by which congruence criterion? Angle, side. Look, angle, side. Thus, by AAS congruence criteria, angle BCE triangle BCE, okay, triangle BCE is congruence to triangle BCD, is congruence to triangle BCD, okay. Thus by CPCT, BD is equal to BCD, okay. Thus by CPCT, dear friends, thus by CPCT, what I get? BD is equal to C. BD is equal to CE. Hence proof. Okay. So this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on triangle. Let's see. Now we take a very important question. Of your syllabus. This is one of the most important question of your ABCs are, the question is ABC is a right angled ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 90 degree, and AB is equal to AC, and AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and C. find angle B and angle C. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, we draw a right angle triangle, right angle at a loop. Suppose that this is right angle related to A, B, C. This is now let here, and AB is equal to AC. Since ABC is a right, ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. In which angle A is equal to what? 90 degree. And also AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So if, dear students, AB is equal to AC, then angle C is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, because of, we know that the side opposite to equal, side opposite to the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So that is angle B is equal to angle C. Let us take as x. So this is x, so this is also equal to x. We find the value of angle B and C. So now for that questions we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. Thus by the angle sum property of the triangle ABC, we get that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now we put the value of A as 90 degree because of angle A is for right angle, this is 90 degree, angle B as x, angle C as x is equal to 180. Okay, because of ABC is a right angled at A, it means that angle A is equal to what? Angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now angle B and angle C is equal to what? X. Okay, now we simplify them. So we get as 90 x, that is 2x is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Thus 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. 180 minus 90. So 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. Thus x is equal to 90 upon 2. This is 45. That is x is equal to 45 degree. X is equal to 45 degree. Thus that is angle B is equal to 45 degree as well as angle C is equal to 45. This is the required answer. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on triangle. Okay, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Thus, we clear the concept of this. Okay, this is very important here. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take and solve some important questions based on triangle. Now, in next class, we take and solve some other important question related to your chapter triangle. Okay, now thanks to all.